In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the battery in this Subaru Forester key fob. All you will need is one CR2032 battery and a kind of small size Phillips head screwdriver. If you want to pick up one of these batteries online, get it sent right to your door, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple bucks. And then just follow along. It's really easy to do. The first step is just to flip this thing over to the back, and we're going to remove these screws. Something about this size will work. If you don't have a screwdriver that's this small, I would recommend something like this. This is a pack of precision screwdrivers. You can get them. I'll leave a link down in the description as well. They're a couple bucks on Amazon, and they have multiple sizes of flathead and Phillips head, and help you to open this thing up really easily. Can be handy around the house too, but once you have your battery and your screwdriver, go ahead and follow along, and we're just going to pull these things out. Don't drop your screwdriver, just pull them out. Carefully set them to the side. Don't want to lose these. And once we have this second screw out, we can remove the back piece of plastic here. And there's our battery. We're just going to gently slide it out with our thumb. And once it comes free, you can get rid of your old dead battery and take a brand new CR2032 battery. Make sure this positive side that has the text on it goes face up, and then just slide it into place until it clicks in, just like that. And now you want to click this back on and turn in these two little screws. So go ahead and reattach these things. You don't need to go too tight, just make sure it's going to be nice and secure. And that's pretty much all it takes. Your light should now come on, showing you that your battery is fully charged and that you did everything right. And so good, yeah, there you go. Now you're good to go. I hope that helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any make or model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.